Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial of LeetCode, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get a t-shirt merchandise which is of LeetCode. Yes, LeetCode provides you with the exciting rewards once you do solve problems on here every day. Now to do that, all you need to do is to just simply open your leetcode.com and log in with your email ID and password. Once you do that, here on the top section you're going to find this option which says store. Just simply tap on the store option, and here you can see this option which says redeem. Once you go over there, you can see how much points you have right now in your account. Currently I am having 184 lead coins. It says lead coins. Yes, now here when you scroll down, you can find very interesting offers that you can get from lead code coins. Currently I just have a 180 lead code coins, so I can buy just this one only. But if you have a lot of lead coins, you can get any of this. And here it is the t-shirt of LeetCode merch. You can just simply get it in 7,200 coins easily. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.